god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, Nolan. Oh my god.
Let's go. Boys just pulled up to the spot. Doing a Google Maps challenge. We saw this on Google Maps. Seth put us on game. About to get started. Any words? Bryce is struggling over there.
We're about to tear them up today, boys. We're about to catch like a 10 pounder, 15 pounder, and a 5 pounder.
First spot was a bust. All we did was get our legs and feet soaking wet.
Yeah. At the second spot, number 2, we're gonna go try to catch some.
That does look crazy.
Oh no. No.
That's not even like that bad of a fish, honestly. The one I just missed. Nice little fish. Not too skinny. He's pretty healthy. Gonna bring this little bud. I'm gonna let him go. Slowly in the grass.
Let's go. That's one. Let's go. Hey, boys. Hey, that's not a bad one at all. Let's go. Fish number 1 for me. It's a nice little guy. It's the first fish of the day. Nice.
Smoke that thing, bro. I saw that. Dude, they are so aggressive, bro. Nice. Bryce has no idea we're on juice over here. Seth's putting a beat on him right now. That's 2 for Seth. So about the same size as the last one. Probably a little bit smaller, but nonetheless, I'll catch these all day. Good fish. Nice. Nice.
Dude, nice fish. Dude, what the?
That's the freaking Senko master.
Look at this.
It doesn't even feel right. It feels too easy.
Yes, sir.
Dude, he did get good.
Oh, no.
That wasn't a ridge. Oh, no. You know they wanted it. Oh, yeah, I do have pliers, Seth, if you need them.
I might go tie on a,
I want to get them in the water real quick. Yeah, go ahead. Sick one, Seth. No. Dude, it's gonna be hot today. You can tell it's gonna be hot.
Yeah, at least it's kind of really good.
Look, you gotta get this. YouTube will hate that.
We're demonetized because Seth showed a cross. No freedom of speech, motherfucker.
I'm sorry that I'm a Christian, my bad. Now we're getting shadow banned for the rest of eternity on YouTube. Oh, it doesn't matter.
Wait, are you kidding me? Oh my god. Dude.
Yeah, you hear that, YouTube? Look. Doesn't matter.
This kid's an animal.
Seth's got 4. I've got half a fish.
I got 1.
Bryce has 1.
Seth's wearing them out of here.
Dude,
hey, what are you doing there?
I'm about to run out of Senkos. This thing's it's about the size of my dick.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Editor, leave that in. Leave that in, editor.
Dude, that fish was the size of my dick,
We want
dude.
different fish, right, Seth?
I'm looking for something a little bit bigger. That's what she said.
Dude, that's what my ex said before she left.
Kind of a crazy coincidence.
What? He said I'm looking for something a little bigger. That's what he said. That's what my ex told me before she left.
Looking for a bigger bank account.
Bigger bank account, bigger
And
cost.
a better fisherman.
Dude, get the camera, Seth.
Oh yeah, let me get over here.
Dude, I hate
Show these kids how to fish, dude. I'm putting on a clinic right here. Dude, look at this motherfucker frame my line, dude. Little fucking ass, dude. You're fucking killing this little fucker, dude. Now he's fucking dead.
Get him out, Seth.
Get him out of there, dude. These fucking kids, dude.
This is what.
Did you hear that?
Did that thing make that noise?
Yes.
That's 5 for Seth, by the way.
That's a 5, dude.
If we were doing a drinking challenge today,
Yeah,
we should have done it. Seth.
I'd be sober as a mug.
Yeah. Seth, we would have been so lit, you would have had to drive my truck back there.
On my leg.
Yeah, right.
Dude, he's right here. He's close in.
Somebody's gotta catch it. Push him in.
When you left us, you went, dude, you were fucking gone. We looked down here and we're like, where's Bryce at?
We thought you
brother
got
right.
keeping traffic.
I went left when y'all went right.
We fished close to the truck.
We knew you were left wing, Bryce. All right, are we making the move? Somebody's got to fish that grass with the Senko, dude. Y'all are gonna catch a bass.
I look how Seth's like trying to use this out of fish.
I am, dude.
All right,
I come here.
Come on, let's go.
I just do this in my spare time.
We taught Seth how to fish.
I say we catch. Hold on.
What? I'm sorry. Did I hear that?
Sorry you had to witness that YouTube.
Bro. I'm over here messing with the camera. Dude, what?
Come on, baby.
What is going on?
This is appalling. I've never seen.
They're never gonna invite me fishing again, y'all.
Seth, this never happens. Seth's literally got 6 fish.
We're on the juice. It's got to be. Look how this bitch is glistening in the sunlight. It's got to be it, right?
Dude, tell me my shit don't look just like that though.
Hold up, let's get a little comparison, Bryce.
Dude, look at your line, Seth. What the fuck, man?
Dude, leave it alone, dude.
Okay, Bryce, at least.
Girl B, dude, get that shit out of here.
It looks like Shane Gillis for real.
Dude, why are they so mad?
We're about to just go to our next spot just cause. Go try something else. Oh my god, I almost just rolled my ankle.
Dude, I'm telling you, I saw
There is. There's a ridge. I'll feel it right now. I can feel it.
I've been going. Got one. Yeah, decent one, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, Nolan. Oh my god. Let's go. We found the juice. Let's go. Dude, he choked it. How about that one, dog? Show the camera. Oh my god. Look at that thing. Fatty.
Releaser. How about that one? How about that one? Yeah, I just set it down. Just to film the release. Well, how about that fish? Boom.
Nolan got another one. It's been a while. It's been a while.
Healthy in here,
Since I can
Like, look at this
Fat.
fish.
thick.
Just thick. Look at that thing.
Shoulder blades on that bad boy. Nice. Nice.
Have we caught anything on a moving bait?
I'm working this crankbait still.
I caught both the fish on this little
June bug.
dick fuck. I don't know where the fuck the goddamn go right there.
Say, oh, I just got one.
Oh, what?
Right at the bank,
fuck?
bro.
He's just camping in the grass.
Dude was camping up against the bank.
Good fish.
Good healthy fish. Let him go. Whoa. What'd you say?
I'm walking up.
Okay.
Oh, he's done for. No. The cypress balls are big, dude. Those are what keep you from fucking. Oh, dude, that was crazy.
Yep. I knew he was right there. I saw him.
Dude, Bryce like fucking stopped his
Oh my god, my
bait and just
fucking
fucking nailed it.
my reel just broke.
What?
Yep. Oh no, it didn't. Why was it doing that? Yeah.
Dude, look at the grass.
Right on the wall, right on the rocks, bro.
Oh my Nolan. You saw that under the tree? Under the
All right, fellas. We are gonna make a move to a very private pond. We're gonna get in and get out real quick. Be like fucking James Bond, 007. We'll hit it and quit it. We'll see you in a second. In there like so. Oh my god, scooch your bitch ass over.
Yeah, I stirred something up.
Yeah, I think they do have wires. Oh my god.
Look at that shit in the water, dude.
I don't know what that is.
I've never seen that. Oh shit.
Got something? Oh my god, he's on. A nice one. Get him in, Seth. Dude, a nice one.
That's so good.
Shh. Don't let him see, don't let him see. Yeah, he's got one. Dude, bro, look how pretty that fish is.
Nolan's healthy too.
Show it to the camera, hold on. Yes, sir.
I was thinking one out, but that's called a bone. They probably don't let people fish here.
Well, I'm trying not to leave my
Destroying their tree.
bait behind.
Here.
Hold my pole.
Just absolute shambles.
Freaking good one, dude.
Skinny, but freaking nice fish. Secret spot. Ugly. It's actually ugly. Thing is super sickly. All right, y'all, we're about to roll out. Hooked into one like we're leaving. Seth carrying it.
Oh, that was a fish.
Dude, that was a bass the whole time, dude. I knew that.
Huh? Yeah, I am actually filming. I just got smoked too. Look how skinny that fish is. Big head. Dude, fuck these people. Let us come in here and fix y'all shit.
Yeah, they need fucking shit to
They
eat,
need
apparently.
food.
Apparently. I feel bad.
Nice little fish.